Were you looking for an AI tool to transform your videos into something more cool? Look no further. DomoAI is all you need. Let's see how it works. First, visit domoai.app and click on Join Our Discord. Similar to setting up Mid-Journey, join one of the generation channels. Click on DomoAI bot and start a conversation with it in your direct messages. You can now also invite the bot to your private server, but it wasn't available when I was filming this, so I will show you how it works in chat. It is basically the same. DomoAI offers various tools that allow users to transform text into images, images into videos, anime into realistic photos, and videos into other anime video styles. Today, we'll focus on converting a video to video, a feature that only few AI tools offer, and if they do, the quality is often much lower. On the other hand, there are simpler tools for creating videos from images, which I'll show you another time. Now we will use the video command and upload prepared video. I cut this video into shorter segments, 3 seconds each, so I can then easily combine them into one video made in various styles. However, you can choose a longer video depending on your subscription plan. Once you've uploaded your video, write the prompt and hit enter. Then a settings window will appear, allowing you to choose whether the prompt or the video should be given more weight, the desired length of the generated video, and the style you want to apply. We will explore several options together so you can get a sense of what DomoAI is capable of. While waiting for our videos to be processed, I'll show you how to subscribe to DomoAI. It's similar to subscribing to Mid-Journey. Simply type the subscribe command and you will be provided with a link to select and pay for your chosen plan. And there you have it. DomoAI is a fantastic tool for enhancing your videos. Will you give it a try? For more tutorials, be sure to check out our YouTube channel.